What's up, guys? Ron here from Rockville to introduce the all-new CEA-rated K6 Subwoofers.
Oh!
What's this guy doing here?
People have been waiting 4 years for these subwoofers. There's no way I'm letting you introduce them. It's what the people need.
Hey, what's going on here?
Your jabroni over here just tried tackling me and stealing my thunder.
It's what the people need.
Okay, everybody settle down. People have been waiting 4 years for these subs. They don't need any introduction. And besides, people don't want to hear us bore them with details about them. They want to see them in action, right? Roll the tape. So I just want to explain the setup really quick. I got a 10-inch K6 in the back. I got all my music running from my phone to the receiver. Let's go ahead and listen to how this sounds. As you can see, we've made a lot of adjustments on the new K6 series in terms of, well, almost everything. The subwoofers come in 3 different sizes of 10-inch, 12-inch, and 15-inch, and they both have dual 2 ohm or dual 4 ohm configurations to fit the compatibility of any of your setup. Every single sub in this series has been CEA rated for accurate power handling numbers. The 10-inch is rated at 500 watts CEA, the 12-inch is rated at 600 watts CEA, and the 15-inch is an absolute beast, rated at 1000 watts CEA. You've heard what these subwoofers can do with the amazing power handlings that they output, but let's talk about build for a second, because that completely separates these subwoofers from other subwoofers on the market at similar price points. Inside the subs are 2.5 to 3-inch 4-layer black aluminum voice coils wound with copper wire made in the USA. The magnets range in size from 100 ounces for the 10-inch and 12-inch to 112 ounces for the 15-inch sub. While most brands choose steel because it's cheaper, all the K6 subwoofers are housed in a beautiful cast aluminum basket with a black sanded finish that adds more efficiency to the output. A fiber reinforced ultra stiff black non-pressed paper cone, a polypropylene dust cap, and thick foam surrounds provide incredible sound quality while minimizing the amount of distortion you will hear at loud volumes. On the back, we have 2 chrome-plated binding post terminals that accept any gauge of wiring and ensure that you won't experience any signal loss. Furthermore, a custom rubber magnet cover keeps the magnets safe and secure, and the subwoofer is easily mountable and airtight with the mounting gasket on the front of the sub. So if this is your first venture into car audio, or if you're a seasoned veteran doing a crazy wall build, the K6 series is guaranteed to add booming and powerful low-end potential to your setup. If you liked what you saw in this video, leave a like and a comment in the comment section below. And if you have any crazy wall builds, please tag us on Facebook. As always, guys, I'm Mike from Rockville.
And I'm Ron from Rockville.
And well, you know who I am.
Whatever.